What's happening, guys? Welcome to another tutorial on 365 days of coding. This is day number 10 and we're not stopping. We just keep on going, man. So let's get right to it. So in this video we're going to be talking about Html5 formatting, and when you say Html5 formatting, this is whereby we're talking about how to format your text. Let's say you want your text to be italics and you want your text to be bold, or you want it to be strong, like this kind of formatting, like strong, or you want it to be have the sort of like slash, like as if it is deleted. So this is the tutorial we're going to be talking about. So let me just bring out my editor. So I'm just going to bring it on the screen right now, and I'm just going to say, okay, so I've written my HTML. If this is your first video watching this, I would advise you to watch my first video and learn more about this, what this stuff is all about. So let me just get right into it inside the body tag, and I'm just going to write so let me just write something like a P representing paragraph, and I'm just going to close it, and I'm just going to write I and I. Okay, so this I, it really means that it's in italics, or our text is going to be in italics. So I'm just going to say resident. How did I think of that? So I'm just going to say resident, and I'm just going to say resident. So when we're using this italics, this text is going to be in italics. So let me save this, and I just want to show you guys how it's going to be outputted. Where does it save it? Okay, so let's see where it saved it. Okay. So right now I'm just currently recording this video outside because some noise happening inside, so I just decided I'm going to record this inside. So please don't apologies if you're having any funny sound coming from the background. So I'm just going to say okay, let me just say formatting, right? Formatting.html, and I'm just going to save this. Okay, there you go. And which does the browser browser, and say Firefox. Let's get right to it. It's a bit cold outside, and I'm just waiting for this just to load it up. It's a bit cold. Okay, so this is 365 days. It's pretty interesting for me that every day you're just learning something. At the same time I'm also learning something. So I'm just going to say what's happening. Okay, so it says resident. So as you can see that this text is now in resident format, and is now, sorry, in italics format. So this is how you use when you want to use the italics format. So there are different kind of formats that you can use, and we also have the bold, and I'm just going to say P, and I'm just going to say close it up and say, okay, let me use the P. So the bold, no, okay. Say bold, and I'm gonna say resident. Okay. Okay, resident, and I'm just gonna save this. Where's my? Okay, I'm just gonna refresh this. As you can see, it is all my text are now in bold. So this is how you change your text to be bold. You use the B tag. So, and I think let me just use the delete. Delete, and I'm just going to say resident again. Resident. Control S. Save this and bring them up this and save this. So as you can see, it has created sort of like a slash on top of it, like as if it's deleted. So these are some of the tags that you use when you're formatting. If you check on the description, I've added some of the tags, and go ahead and experiment with them, and let me know in the comment section if you come up with any problem or if you have any questions, and we just get right into you. So guys, this is just briefly about it, and this is briefly about text on HTML formatting, and I hope you learned something. And please don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you really like this video, or don't forget to subscribe. Cheers guys, I'll see you in the next one.